Hi guys, this is Peter Lee. This is today is the 2025 October the 13th, 5:38 p.m. in Hong Kong time. So today I'm going to talk about a trade I'll put on and do some analysis for you guys. And the trade I'll put on today is a SQQQ trade. As you can see, the stock market right now, the S&P has dropped about roughly 3%. Um, Look at this graph. This is the S&P 500, a very ugly, very bearish candlestick. It dropped past the 20-day moving average, closing at the low, and it's very bearish. And today it's going to gap up about 5%. This is like half of the drop. It will rise about 5 on the TQQQ about 5%. So TQQQ is the Nasdaq 100 three times leverage ETF. So right now I'm going to put on a trade at this around this price as the SQQQ. SQQQ is the inverse Nasdaq ETF. SQQ is right here. As you can see, let me do something. Cancel. Oh, yeah. This SQQ rise about 10% on last Friday. I'm going to put on a buy order of the SQQ, because SQQ will drop about 5%. It represents a very risk to reward high RR risk to reward. I initially initial is RR. I will call it RR, risk to reward ratio, RR. The RR is very good because it's the stop loss. I'm going to put around I'll put around $14. Okay, if it close below $14 I'll cut loss. Okay, if today it close at big new high and then close above the $14, close below for the SQQQ, close below $14, I'll cut loss. So the risk reward, and I'm looking at around for now for the S&P to drop about roughly 10%, which is the right now is here. So I will show it here with the SQQ, and then I will foresee there will be a support around this area and this area. So you can see it's around 6,242 around this area. 6,242 give and take. You can see around this area and around the 250 moving average. This two is a support area, which I see will drop maybe 7% to 10%. So I will follow up the trade for you. So if I close the trade, either lose or win money, I will give you guys another video about it. So to follow you up, so you guys can follow this trade if you like. But first of all, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor and I am not giving you any advice on the trade. It's not a, it's not a financial advice. It's just a entertainment purpose only. And what you any trade can lose money, you can lose all your capital doing any trade. Okay. Okay. So I got the target now. So you guys can try to maybe give reference to my trade and then do your own judgment. But I see the drop to be bigger, like not 3% or 5%. I think it's maybe 7% to 10%, something like that, from the S&P 500. And so the fundamental reason for the drop is because I think Donald Trump is for real. It's not chickening out. He is like trying to calm the market right now with saying that he was like saying something like everything is good. That he wants China to be good too, and then we are not in a big fighting like something like that. He say something like that, and the rift, I think it's rift, RIFT, the rift with China is no big deal. He says something like that, but in fact, it's really a big deal. He really want to. Uh, the tariffs is really a real threat, and if the tariffs really happen, the 100% increase in tariffs of China goods really happen, then the economy of the U.S. will be a big damage, and that's why you see the stock market is dropping 3% right now, and it should drop more because the threat is real. But the real at the end, I think this Donald Trump will and Xi Jinping will reach some sort of a deal that will get no more the tariffs and no more the rare earth restriction at the same time. For you guys who don't know, China restrict rare earth to US and also tell all the other country to not give USA rare earth, something like that, and making because rare earth is very important in the in the making of the cars, the EVs, and also the electronics, and also the defense, the weapon system, like the defense, like the rocket, like also of the military weaponry require a lot of the rare earth. So without the rare earth, USA is in trouble too. So that's why Donald Trump is so angry about it. And so I'm saying that both at the end, I foresee is both will reach a agreement that China will give rare earth to US, and US will not impose a 100% tariffs on China goods. That's what I see. So at the end, the market will rebound and continue the bull run of the phase two of the bull market. So continue watching me. I'm a new YouTuber. I'm not a new YouTuber, but I am going to have a new format right now. I'm talking English right now, and as you can see, my English is all right. I hope, and so please continue watching me. Subscribe, and please do subscribe and like my videos. Okay, I'm signing out now. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.